Today, we are excited to unveil the latest R2022a update for our robot maintenance toolbox. First of all, we would like to introduce two new widgets that will be shipped with the toolbox. The Power Management widget enables developers to monitor and control different aspects of our in-house power regulator, from individual power output channels to the operational states of the regulator. This empowers developers to efficiently diagnose power failures of system peripherals and conduct maintenance accordingly. The Motor Monitoring widget is able to track relevant parameters such as current usage, RPM, and temperature of each individual drive motor in real time, allowing developers to test and run diagnostics on their robots. Secondly, we are proud to introduce our new Supervisor Mini and Supervisor Plus modules. The Supervisor Mini module allows developers to carry out remote monitoring, remote diagnostics, and remote firmware upgrades, assisting with maintenance work on deployed robots. On top of what the Supervisor Mini can do, the Supervisor Plus is also both a smart gateway and a teleoperation controller that can be used in conjunction with our robot-assisted driving toolbox. Moving forward, the Supervisor Mini will now be shipped with our Scouts by default, and the Supervisor Plus will be an optional upgrade. For more information, please visit our product page.